UBaratile Sekwalane uneminyaka engama-27 wathelwa amachaphazelo ngephutha ngesikhathi kuhlaselwa abashayeli bezimoto ze-e-hailing eSoweto ngoLwesithathu ebusuku. Inhlamvu eyayindiza emoyeni yalimaza iso lakhe enye yabhajwa emhlathini.
I'm injured on my cheek. That's where the bullet is, and then this is where the bullet grazed, but then it teared my eyelid. That's why I got stitched right now.
Nakuba enosizo lwezemithi i-medical aid, kodwa-ke isicelo sakhe sokuthi ahlinzwe esibhedlela esizimele asiphumelelanga njengoba bethi usanda kuqashwa emsebenzini. Unikele esibhedlela saseChris Hani Baragwanath eSoweto, nakhona bafike bamdlulisela phambili.
Kopara, they promised us whenever we discharge bullet isotswe, and then we waited almost the whole day, Thursday, and then in the afternoon, the specialists, they are not housed Kopara, the Rover, the Petleletse, Charlotte Makaike, Hill Pro, Leratong.
Isikhulu esiphezulu sesibhedlela iChris Hani Baragwanath sithi isimo sikaBaratile bese singasekho bucayi kodwa-ke uzohlinzwa.
In terms of risk, it's actually not a high risk at that current moment. And we have to plan properly for her operation. What do? We involve multidisciplinary. It's the maxillofacial, as well as, depending on where it is, we also have the plastic surgeons that will be part of this process.
Owengamele ezokuthutha eGauteng uvakashele umndeni kaBaratile namhlanje.
We continue to pass our condolences. We've established a preparatory committee for the funeral of Mthokozisi Mvelase. We also are to visit the family of Baratile, who's in hospital. We're collecting facts about what really transpired.
Okhulumela inhlangano yamatekisi i-NTA usigxekile isenzo sabanye ozakwabo sokuphoqa izakhamuzi ukuthi zisebenzise amatekisi ngenkani.
We have never mandated anybody to go out there and advocate for people to be pulled out of their vehicles. Everybody has a right to go about their businesses in their vehicles.
Ukubambezeleka kohlelo lokuthi uBaratile ahlinzwe sekwenza ukuthi angaboni kahle emehlweni.